Oh yes, today is the day. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the day that we are installing the lift kit on Blackjack. Or should I say, we're going to start the installation. I actually don't know if we're gonna be able to finish it in this video because there's a lot of stuff that needs to get installed. Springs, traction bars, 4-link, front and rear, all these brackets that I would have no idea how to handle if it wasn't for Tyler over at Dieselworks. A bunch of fasteners and bushings and all that good stuff that will be going on. But before we do that, key tags are back in stock, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all have been asking about these, so here they are. We've got the Say It Simple, boom, boom. We've got stock, because we know it's not. Let's not lie here, boys. And then we've got the biggest problem here, which I think we're all susceptible to, is the Truckaholic. Boys, they're here, but they're not gonna be here for forever, so if you want one, get them while they're hot, before they, well, disappear. And if you guys haven't heard by now, the big white elephant in the room is, well, guys, the Minimax is up for grabs, and triple entries are live right now, but they're gonna be ending soon. So if you guys wanna grab a chance to take home the one and the only Minimax, grab yourself anything on the site and your entries get automatically submitted. The ugly sweaters are already gone. I told you we made very limited quantities, and well, now they're a thing of the past. But we do have a new hoodie up right now. It's like a super heavyweight hoodie. For those of you that are in super cold climates like me, the winter hasn't even really gotten started yet, and I had to insulate myself up, and I know a lot of you out there would have to do the same thing. So they're live right now in place of the Merry Minimax Christmas ugly sweater. Now guys, due to the holidays, I do need to let y'all know that we cannot guarantee any product except for that ugly sweater to arrive before Christmas. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that the holiday season is a really crazy time for the apparel industry because everybody's trying to cram in their orders last minute, including us, and the industry can only take so much. So I cannot guarantee that all of your orders will arrive before Christmas time. Just a quick disclaimer, I wanted to send it out there right now before we get your awesome emails asking the same question. So there's a small little FYI. All right, we need Blackjack here. Now, if you guys didn't catch the upload, we do have the new paint match bumpers on Blackjack, both back and front, but a lot of you guys are asking the curious question of, Jack, what's up with the wheels? Trust me, I have something amazing in store. You just have to be patient. They will be in eventually. So yeah, basically this 500 pounds of stuff needs to be in here, and well, the bumpers need to be out. Also, guys, I did receive some messages, but nobody really serious or local about the bumper. Again, circle back with me on Instagram if you want that 4th gen bumper. $200 picked up, it's yours. So, great. And, yeah. This one's gonna take some warming up here. Try it again. Ready, set. Yes, awesome. The magic of the vlog, boys. I'll tell you what, there's always a secret behind it. And we got everything loaded in here, nice and safe and sound. Now, before we continue on, I'd love to thank today's video sponsor, which is Squarespace. Right, Ozzy? Right? Squarespace is awesome, dude. Come here. You want to tell everybody about how awesome Squarespace is? Go ahead. I'm waiting. Go ahead, dude. You know how cool the sites are? Yeah. You know how easy it is to make websites? Yeah. Go ahead, you want to tell them? No. Even a little Australian Shepherd can do it? No? No? You don't want to? All right. I'll handle it. Now, I know a lot of you probably remember me talking about Squarespace from one of my previous uploads, but if you happen to miss that, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform that allows you to build beautiful websites, to handle anything from marketing to analytics, or to build wickedly nice-looking online stores. They take what is a very complicated task of building a website, but they make it very easy. You don't have to worry about learning HTML or CSS or JavaScript, or figuring out how to work with SEO, which is search engine optimization, or figuring out how to optimize your website for the device that the customer's using to learn more about you. They do that all for you automatically. And in today's day and age, building a website is extremely important in building your brand, or taking that passion project that you so deeply want to start and actually making it come to life. Trust me, I love to put passions as my priorities in everything that I do. Heck, they even make acquiring a domain or a URL easy. They do it all for you right on their website. It's not like you have to go to a whole bunch of places to make it happen. So seriously, guys, if you want to take what you're passionate about and you actually want to turn it into something, you need to take action. So what I encourage that you do is head to squarespace.com and check out their free trial. That's going to let you explore some of the cool templates and the creative that they make available to you right out of the box. Once you have a template and a configuration that you really like and you feel great about, that tells your story in the way that you want people to see it, then what I would encourage that you do is head to squarespace.com/DURTYMAXJack. It's the first link in the description below to get 10% off your URL or your Squarespace account, or both. Just remember, guys, as I had said in my previous video, you need to remember that dreams become reality with one common denominator, and that's action. Don't wait on your dreams. Pursue your passions and take action. Build yourself an awesome website and then send it to me, either on Instagram or comment it below. I will personally check it out and give you my feedback. And that's my guarantee. Seriously, guys, go check it out. Build a website and start building your future now. Jacob Gibson out of Wayne, Maine was drawn as the winner from our third-party sweepstakes agency, and he's coming down to take possession of Long Bed Larry, plus a $5,000 check that he's gonna receive right in his center console. So that's all we're gonna hear of Jacob right now. He will be down later this week to take possession of his truck, and you guys will be there 100% of the way. And just remember, guys, you could be on the other end of that phone call, but you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Also, quick update, G56, NV45, and NV5600 guys, shift knobs are available. ZF6 guys, I'm working on it. It's a little bit different with the way that they're fastened to the actual shifter, but one day. So as you guys can see, it's raining outside. I got a super wet box full of heavy metal parts in the back. Gotta get them all inside, and we'll get this process started. All right, boys and girls, we got Blackjack in the bay, and we're gonna get this process started. We've got all the goodies unloaded and somewhat dried off a little while, and our Pampers diapers. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. We got some undercoating stuff here. I don't know the condition of the axles, but I figured I'd bring this stuff from when we coated up the Minimax because it came out looking so good, and I figured, well, if we can touch some things up and clean some things up while we had the opportunity, while everything was off the bottom of the truck, why not do so? Oh, real quick. Tyler, dude, been meaning to have this intervention for you for a while. I know you've got a problem and you really love trucks, so I figured I would formally label you a truckaholic. It's all right, man. We're all here for you. Just let us know if you need our support. Doing what he does best. We've already got the front axle almost all the way dropped down to the ground, which I don't think we're actually going to literally do is drop it to the ground, but we are trying to get it free right now. So just a quick little look for you guys. We've got the front traction bar off, we've got the steering linkage disconnected, we've got the sway bar down, and now you can see on the back end here, we're looking at doing some drive shaft removal, and then of course we've got the stock 4-link here, which is going to get extended big time. So we're making really great progress, guys. I'm not gonna stop us there. We still gotta take these springs out, kind of pretty much gut all of this that you see right here to prep it for the big guns that we've got right over there. So let's keep it going. Jumping right into day 2 of the Cummins project, and well, things are going up and parts are coming off. So we just got back to Diesel Works today. Sorry for the little abruption in the time sequence of the vlog there, to find that Tyler's been cutting some stuff off of the truck. So I was kind of investigating things, checking things out, and I looked on the ground and I saw all of that. So let's go take a look. Right here, you guys can see these are the factory 4-link brackets that are on the ground and no longer on the truck. So you got 1, 2, 3. There's your uppers, and then there are your lowers. And then if we come over here, we found numero quattro. So those used to be mounted right in this general kind of vicinity. You can see that hole right there is actually where the bolt passed through. Tyler cut it all off, made things look really nice and smooth, and then painted it all up, which looks really good. Love it. Good work, dude. We got the axle that's pretty much suspended here by a strap, and of course these transmission jacks, which are kind of just hanging out. And then over here we've got all the lift kits powder coated, looking ready to rock and roll for installation. So the reason that these brackets have to come off is because this McGoy's lift is a long arm kit. I'll show you guys why. 1 and 2. Literally, the arms are just longer. This is why I couldn't find the other bracket. So we've got some brackets here and then a bracket there. And then if we come over here on the truck, it looks like Tyler was doing some dry fitting and some measuring of the new bracketry that's on. Now this one's on and it is not going anywhere. And this is really the complicated part of the build because everything's got to get installed and all the geometries have to be perfectly asymmetrical to make this thing align perfectly straight and drive nice and straight down the road. So my prediction for the end of the vlog is that we're not going to have this done by the time this video ends, because today is when I need to go home and edit the video. So only time will tell, but I'm gonna say that I don't think we're gonna be able to get it done, only because you don't wanna rush perfection. So Tyler's gonna be back here momentarily, and then we're gonna jump right back into the action. As you guys can see, there's a lot of parts that have to get installed yet. Alright guys, so that's where we are going to wrap up today's video, at least here at Dieselworks, because I need to run out and grab Long Bed Larry for Jacob Gibson, who is coming down in the next video. He's actually going to be flying in tonight. I'm going to be picking him up, and then we're going to be filming all of the content coverage in Sunday's upload, so definitely get excited about that. He is absolutely amped, and I cannot wait to introduce you guys to him and see his reactions. So we're gonna leave Tyler here doing his thing, so that way I don't bug him anymore. Tyler, thanks for your patience today, dude.
No problem.
I don't think I'm that bad. I don't think I'm that bad. But then again, I am kind of here watching as the process takes place. Luckily, this guy and Dieselworks are cool enough to let us hang out here as we are knocking out this kit installation. It is moving right along. You can see we've got our 4-link bracket installed. This did take some time, and this kit has a lot of additional components that have to get put in place of the pre-existing components, which definitely takes some time. So I think my bet just a little bit earlier was absolutely spot on. But we're gonna leave Tyler do his thing, and the next time you guys see Blackjack, it is going to be completed and uppity. Now, I haven't specified the height of the lift yet. I'm kind of holding out on you guys. I'm sorry. All right, guys, and that's where we're gonna end this video. We are bringing back Long Bed Larry to Lime Ridge Automotive. We got Caleb and Josh hanging out here helping me out move some of these trucks around. So if you guys wanna be just like Jacob Gibson and earn the opportunity to win a truck, here's the Mini-Max. Triple entries are live, and they're gonna be ending very soon. So if you guys wanna grab them while they're hot. Plus, we have a brand new limited product up if you haven't checked it out already. It's definitely worth your while. My likely to love you guys, do what you do best. Tap that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you all in the next upload.